Let's be honest, taking notes in meetings is a chore that pulls you out of the conversation. But what if there was a better way? Today we're exploring Meetjamie AI, a tool that claims to be the best free AI note-taker on the market. So what exactly is Meetjamie? It's an AI-powered assistant that automatically creates detailed notes, summaries, and action items after your meetings end. It seamlessly connects to your calendar and is platform agnostic, meaning it works with Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or even a simple phone call, all without requiring a browser extension. A key feature is its ability to understand and write in more than 15 languages, making it a powerful tool for global teams. Beyond just notes, Meetjamie can instantly generate professional follow-up emails, saving you even more time. It also allows you to build a custom knowledge base, teaching Meetjamie about your specific industry, company, and projects, so the notes it generates become increasingly accurate and personalized. The positives are its incredible ease of use, broad compatibility, and strong multilingual support. The cons to consider are the potential limitations for very long or highly technical meetings where AI might struggle with nuanced context, and the free plan does have a monthly meeting limit. This service offers a tiered pricing structure starting with a free plan at €0 for 10 meetings per month with a 30-minute duration limit. The first paid tier is the Plus plan at €25 for user per month, which is aimed at busy professionals and offers 20 meetings with a 2-hour limit. For high-volume users, the Prepare plan costs €47 and provides unlimited meetings with a 3-hour duration limit. The Team plan is $39 per user per month and adds centralized billing and a collaborative workspace for growing teams. Finally, there is a custom enterprise plan that includes all team features, plus advanced security, compliance, and volume-based discounts. To sum it up, Meetjamie AI delivers a compelling and mostly hassle-free solution to automated note-taking, helping you stay engaged, productive, and organized across all your professional conversations. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what other AI tools you'd like me to review next.